Wow, check these views out. Hey up, I'm a Nott'm lass, and today I'm going to go and visit Aber Falls in Wales. I've had a lot of recommendations to come and see this place. It's actually beautiful from the pictures that I've seen on Google and on Facebook. Thank you to Not Another Adventure channel for recommending this place to me, and to Chris, who has also said that it's amazing. And here we are, I can't wait to go and see it. This is the car park. I can't really read all this, but I'm guessing you get the idea. We're at a car park. Anyway, let's go. So as it's quite a popular place, there's quite a few car parks. Well, actually two. We're in the upper one, so just be aware of that. Probably get here a bit earlier than usual. Yeah, we're at this one. So interestingly, there's actually two routes which you can do to Aber Falls. One is a normal route and one is a pushchair route. I've never seen a pushchair route before, which is really, really good. So yeah, we're gonna do this one. So it roughly takes an hour and a half to 2 hours, but knowing us, probably 5 hours. So what I've noticed already is that it's very, very well signposted in Wales, unlike where we are in the Peak District. Gosh, you get a map out and that's it, left to your own devices. Definitely not going to get lost around here, that's for sure. Or will we? Da, da, da. So luckily for us, it's 28 degrees today, enjoying the last bit of summer before we are plunged into winter. Not looking forward to that. But anyway, yeah. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button, it would help me out so much, thank you. So 10 minutes in, legs are feeling it, I'm out of breath, it's well hot. But so excited to see this Aber Falls. Apparently it's a massive attraction here in North Wales. So yeah, we're here to see what all the fuss is about. So that was really interesting. It was like a little exhibition of the Aber Valley and its timeline of its history. Really interesting. And this right next to the exhibition is recording the weather. That's just amazing. Wow. Well, I can tell you right now that it's pretty hot today. What do you think? Yeah, you agree? So I'm already quite impressed with this walk so far. There's a lot of information, a lot of facts, a lot of signs, nice weather, nice views. Perfect day out. So I'm not sure if you can see behind me. It's very busy on the path and it's a Tuesday afternoon, so I guess the weekends are 10 times busier. So busy. I can't get over how busy it is, but it is great to see people out and about enjoying this Welsh countryside. It's fantastic, it's lovely. It's a beautiful day. It's so hot, I'm actually dripping sweat. Everyone is very, very friendly, but I'm guessing that's because everyone's not at work in an office. They're out and about exploring beautiful places. Good on them. First impressions, I'm absolutely blown away. This is like something that you get in Canada. This is just amazing. can see, it's absolutely phenomenal. So beautiful, it's so cool as well. Now to try and get down. Okay. Sweet. I hope you all enjoyed my little drone shots there. Such a beautiful place to fly the drone. So Aber Falls was absolutely magnificent. If anyone is around the area, you need to visit this place. It's incredible. Just going back to the car now, someone very kindly gave us their car parking ticket. So massive thank you to whoever you were. And a big shout out to the couple that we met whilst walking. I hope you had a great day. You know what? I do love waterfalls. They're so beautiful. Click here to go and watch a waterfall vid. I'm always searching for great waterfalls. This is like one of the best I've been to. I'll tell you a little story. When I was in Canada, I used to work in Canada, I was there for like 2 months, and I wasn't into hiking back then. Didn't care, wasn't into vlogging. I kind of regret it now. But anyway, yeah, I did a 9-hour shift at the hotel I was working at, and it was like 2 in the morning, and I was sat in the couch just drinking like a cup of tea or whatever it was. The workmates came in and was like, Luce, we're gonna go on a hike to see the sunrise. Do you wanna come? And I was like, no thanks. I couldn't think of anything worse. And you know what? That is a massive regret now, not going with them to see the sunrise that they wanted to go and see up a mountain. Massive regrets, because I'm so into it now, and I would love to go and do that now. Maybe one day I'll go back there and do the hikes that I didn't do. That is like a massive regret. But you live and learn. I mean, I'm doing it now. I'm trying to see as much as I can now. I want to say massive thanks for all the support as well, guys. You know, this channel is growing and it's growing fast. It's really exciting. Oh, it's just amazing. But be sure to go and subscribe. Let's keep this channel alive. Let's go and do more hikes. I'm in Wales for a mini break, and this is my second vlog of the Wales trip. Click here to go and see my vlog from yesterday. That was in Llandudno, and that was amazing. There's just so many places to see in the UK, never mind the whole world. God, I'm so excited to go. God, yeah. This has been like one of the best days out, one of the hottest walks I've been on. Oh, bring it on. So exciting. Here's me complaining about Canada. I did go and see like all the hot spots. It was a beautiful place. And I thought I was going to go there for 2 years, but was only there for 2 months. Only because I did miss the UK. But I did go and explore lots of places. I just didn't do massive like long hikes, well I still don't now actually. Just go and see the hot spots. Yeah, it's a nice place that was. Here's a little cheeky fact for you. Did you know that the last seen red squirrel here in the Aber Valley was in 1978? That is crazy. I thought they were quite popular. Obviously not here. The more you know. If I pronounce Aber wrong, if it is Aber, I'm very, very sorry. But anyway, I really enjoyed this walk. One of my favourites yet. We're back at the car park now. But anyway, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! We're literally the only car in the car park right now. And because someone gave me their ticket, I'm going to put it in the machine just in case someone comes here for sunset, they could have a free ticket because the machine's broken. So yeah, let's do it.